Hello friends, I hope you all are enjoying this course on Introduction to Research Methodology. By now, for almost 10 hours, we have discussed on the important aspects of research, research methodology. The aim of these two lectures, lecture number 11 and lecture number 12, is to understand about a paper on how to read a scientific paper. In fact, last week I have shared this paper with you. I asked all of you to read this paper. So, in today's lecture, mainly we will discuss about the important points related to this paper. The title of the paper is How to Read a Scientific Paper. We'll start with what is scientific paper or what can be considered under the heading of scientific paper. So maybe journal papers, conference proceedings, workshop reports, government policies and guidelines. What should be considered as scientific paper? Followed by this, we'll try to understand the difference between a review paper and a research paper, how to distinguish between a review paper and a research paper. In fact, there are clues, there are guidelines by which you can easily identify that this paper belongs to a category of review paper. Followed by this very important aspect of any research paper, and that is the overall format, overall structure of a scientific paper. So I will discuss the elements of any scientific paper, then how to read paper, that is the central idea of today's sessions. So there are several steps when you start reading any scientific papers. So I have divided the entire discussion in five steps, five stages. We'll start with step number one, that is answering few questions when you start reading paper. Initially, it is not necessary to read the entire paper line by line, but you just read the title, the abstract, the introduction part, and maybe the conclusion part. So, in short, in these two lectures, I will help you understanding how to read a scientific paper, and very systematic step by step procedure I have evolved with the help of the available literature. We will discuss. I will also request you to ask your queries, doubts in between, because I have already shared this paper with you a week ago. So, in short, this lecture will be very interesting and you will have ample opportunities to put forward your queries and doubts. Thank you, friends.